Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we'll be taking a look at the signal inheritance, which would be a hands-on practice. So in the last video we have saw some theoretical examples of signal inheritance, multiple, multi-level, all the inheritance that we have in the C++. So we are starting the hands-on from now. So this is the first video of the signal inheritance, I would say. So let's start with it. So first of all, we'll create a class which would be the parent class here. So animal, it is a parent class here, and simply you just have to go down here and always keep a semicolon at the end of the class, so the program gets to know that the class has ended here. And now we'll create here a public access specifier, which we have talked in the theory, not in detail, but I will let you know here. So public access specifier will allow the child class to use all the methods and variables of the parent class in it. But if we are not defining anything here and we start creating the method, then it will be a private class by default. So that's why we have to always make it clear by writing it down. It is public, private, or protected mode. So this is what we call the access specifier. Once we have done this public, we'll go down here, we'll put down the void, and we'll put here eat, because every animal eat, as we know. We'll create this here, and I'll write down here cout statement, which will just say eating, and that's it. And I'll create here an endline statement as well. After doing this thing, we'll make another class, I would say, which would be the child class. So the child class is the dog. To inherit here, to do a colon, and there will be again the access specifier and the parent class here. So we are putting animal. Let's go in here with this thing, and we're putting it public again here. Now we're creating a method known as bark, because dogs always bark, they don't roar. So doing so, we'll put another cout here, which will show here barking, some ... and we'll make a new line here. Now after doing this thing, this is what we have made, and public and child class. This is the child class, which is inherited by a single colon. That's it. Now we'll create the object of the child class to use the methods or variables of the parent class. So we'll create here dog d1 colon, and d1 dot should show us which of the methods we'll be using. We'll use here d1 dot eat and d1 dot bark. Now after this thing is done, the main thing is you have to go through each and every step, because if you miss this public thing, as I said, it will be automatically make this thing private, and then we'll be not able to use this thing in the child class. So we have done here public, that is public as well, and this class is also declared public here. So now we'll go and try to run this program and see if it runs properly. So I'll save this thing, and it is showing dog d1 does not exist the name, so the error is showing. So the thing that we keep forgetting is nothing but just a bracket here that we forget to put here, and that was all that the error was showing. And the error was expected initializer before dog, and on this line we can just put this bracket and run this program. So it is showing eating and barking, so that means our inheritance is worked perfectly here. the dog is able to access this animal class, a method that is known as eat, and this cout statement is being printed out there. So this was all for this video, I would say, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.